Hey guys, what's up? It's AppOSX here, and today I'll be sharing with you guys my top 5 iPhone App Store applications for the month of June 2012. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the first application, which is JustType. JustType is a free notes-taking application that easily outdoes Apple's built-in notes application and goes far and beyond many of the applications already on the App Store, especially for its price. So as you can see, this application looks and feels like Sparrow for the iPhone, Facebook for the iPhone and iPad, and Twitter for the iPad in the sense that you have cards that you kind of swipe back and forth. What's really nice is you can change the font from, I believe, 16 fonts, and you can also change the size. Additionally, you can also change the color for organizational or stylistic purposes. What's also really nice is that you can easily share in many options with emails to text, attachment, message, print, or copy text. And if we go back to the main menu here, you'll see that there are some other cool aspects of this application. You can organize just by general list, favorites, which of course you can favorite certain notes. And then you can organize by color. So I did say this was for organizational purposes. So if you want to see all your gray notes, your pink notes, or your blue notes, you can easily do that with this application. The last thing I want to show is that this application automatically creates lists. As you can see, a dash is added if I'm creating a grocery list or such. Best of all, guys, this application is available for free on the App Store now. Okay, so my next application here is Any.do. This app was originally available for Android users, but now it's finally made its way to iOS. The application is another application on my list with a great user interface, and it's also very intuitive. All I have to do is simply swipe down on my task list, and I can easily create a new task. What's really cool about this app is it automatically predicts what you're going to say. Of course, you have options to remind, share, and add to a specific list. Then when we add the task, you can see there are options: set priority, put it in a specific folder. As you can see, it's in personal right now. Set a reminder time, notes, and even share the task. There are a lot of options. Of course, you can also change the date, but for a free to-do application that does have syncing, there's no reason that you guys shouldn't check out this application. Alright, so my third application is Reader. The much-loved RSS client for iOS has finally received a major update. Revision 3.0 brings a new user interface, viewer support, and support for multiple accounts, a big feature that was previously missing, of course, among other features. Best of all, Reader still has tons of sharing services, however, Facebook sharing is missing at the moment. That said, the developer notes that this feature is coming soon. Another big deal about Reader 3.0 is you can finally add subscriptions with Google Reader within the application. However, you can't do that with the other services. The application has a great UI. I use it every day. It's very fast, and I think that you guys should use it if you like RSS feeds as much as I do. That said, Reader is available on the App Store for $2.99. Definitely be sure to check out Reader. So Launch Center Pro is my fourth application. The application description details it best. It's like speed dial, but for more than just phone calls. As you can see, I can quickly get access to toggles like flashlight, screen brightness, Google prompt, dial contact, new email, new message, and as you can see, if I type on new message or if I touch new message, obviously the Messages app opens up. But of course, there's so much more to this application, as you can see. So if I have a specific action like to launch the Instagram camera, I tap that button and the Instagram camera opens. Not the basic iOS 5 or iOS 6 camera application, but Instagram's camera app. What's also really cool is that you can get quick access to apps, like let's say Reader. If we just want to launch the application, you can do that with any application. But for featured applications like Tweetbot, for example, you can customize it with specific functions like to search within Tweetbot. So we hit search and then it loads within Tweetbot just like this. We'll give it a sec and it will eventually pull up with the search. So like I said, with featured applications, there are a lot more options to choose from, but for all the other applications, you can still launch them. That said, Launch Center Pro is available on the App Store for $2.99. It is on sale for 40% off, so be sure to get this now before the sale ends. Alright, so my last application, last but not least, is RetailMeNot. You guys might have heard of RetailMeNot.com, but the website has finally brought a native application to iOS, and I must say it's very good with a very gorgeous user interface. As you can see, there are the top deals on the homepage where there's, Sears, Macy's, and deals from other popular stores. You can look at popular stores, categories, save coupons. What I find most useful about RetailMeNot is finding some great deals on iPhone and iPad accessories. So we search in case we can get 10% off, 20% off, free shipping, free this. Of course, this works with tons and tons of manufacturers, so be sure to check out RetailMeNot. It really is a great application, and best of all, it is free. So guys, that wraps up my top 5 iPhone App Store applications for the month of June 2012. If you thought an app should have made the list, please leave it in the comment section below. I'd love to see what you guys think. But that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe somewhere up there, follow me on Twitter, add me on Game Center. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.